Good morning, Scratch Kitchen, and I want to share you this new little book I got. It's for sourdough baking. And yes, Razzle has given me enough sourdough to make biscuits with, which is what I'm going to make. Later today, I will record it and show you. And it also has some variations, things you can add in. You could add like garlic, a little bit of garlic powder, cheddar cheese, and then top them with butter and parsley, and then you get the Red Lobster cheddar biscuits. That kind of thing. Except they call for bacon. Yeah, okay. You know I'm gonna try that eventually. Right? Yeah. You can also put paprika and chili powder on them before you bake them. Oh my god. Hello, yes. I will share as I work my way through this book. I will share the ones I do with you, and we'll learn how to use the sourdough starter together. Got this for Amazon under $5. Shipping was free because it's Prime eligible. It's by Sarah Pitzer, a story country wisdom bulletin. Cute little book. I'll see you guys tomorrow.